Wilderness Lodge. So when booked, we booked a one bed or a standard view studio. Clearly, we did not get such of a room. So this is a quick look. There's the extra blankets and pillows. There's the safe inside the front hall closet. Little kitchenette. So this is what the studio now looks like in Wilderness Lodge. So yeah, we had booked just a basic standard view, or standard view, and welcome home. Again, more of the H2O products on the counters, not actually strapped to the walls. Makeup mirror. There you go. Quite the washer. Fairly large. These are all marble shelves too. Very nice. Giant rain shower head. And more of the H2O products. Sliding doors. Welcome home. So we have the cabinet here with lots of plugs and again USB ports. So we have the mini fridge. I believe this is going to be like a pull-out little pantry. Yeah. So your pull-out pantry. Paper cups and plates. And up here is going to be ice bucket and toaster. Microwave. Like I said, mini fridge, coffee maker.
It had a fishing thing for Wilderness Lodge.
Oh, yes. TV. Here's the, oh, very cute. I never noticed that. Hit a Mickey on the side table. And our view from our balcony. So we definitely have a pool view, definitely a preferred view. There's what used to be Discovery Island. So we are in the main building of the lodge, not over on the DVC wing that was initially built way back when they built the DVC portion of this resort. Now, this big rolly door, welcome home. And then the little tiny balcony. Oh, it must be locked. Yeah, there's the lock. So yeah, you have your little tiny balcony to sit here. You can see the right above the waterfall. Down there, yeah, there's the waterfall. Straight down there. Beautiful views. And this is a very different layout. I have not been to Wilderness Lodge in years, so I'm only familiar with what the studio used to be like, which was similar to Saratoga and stuff like that, that the bed had a pull-out couch in the same room. So this is very different for me. So you've got a little breakfast sitting table here, your side tables, your end tables, like bedside tables with power and USB. Probably a 50-inch TV on the wall here. Yes, we were already at the outlet mall shopping. More power with USB on your dresser. And view down to back into the main part of the lodge. I love the theming here. This is one of my favorite resorts for that. Yes, so this is the Preferred View Studio at Wilderness Lodge. If you have any questions about the resort or about the rooms or anything like that, feel free to drop a comment below and we will be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to ring that notification bell. That way, when we update our content, you'll be in the loop. Thanks so much.